Hey guys, good afternoon. Isha Phillips here, signing in on behalf of Sinisha Says. On the 2nd of March, I had mentioned to you that Sanjay Kumar from Ishwaraya Art Gallery, the curator from Hyderabad, is going to have two events. One was until 6th of March, and they were starting the second event from 7th of March until 14th of March. So today I am here to cover their event titled Mega Dimensions, which comprises of 36 artists, 72 works from 12 different states. It's from Sanjay Kumar, the owner of Ishwaraya Art Gallery, Hyderabad. Okay, let's have a look at the displayed works, and most of the artists I know. I promised them that I would cover their works. So let's get going and let's have a look at the works from the artists of 12 different states, 72 works, 36 artists, Sanjay's Gallery. Let's go. I spotted two works of my well-known colleagues. So let me just show you around. Let me give you a closer look. This work is of Rahu Maredu from Hyderabad, a very good friend, artist friend, and I've seen a lot of his works. We did a show together in Jan in Hyderabad at Beyond Coffee last year. So this is his work. Ramugaru, I am right here next to your work and is capturing your work, one of it. Then another work of Ramugaru from Hyderabad, quite a known person, the Atara. And this is my senior. He is Vijay Kumar. Sir, I am right here at your pieces. Beautiful works, sir. I am just admiring them. We have done a show together a few years back, and I am able to capture your work here. This is Vijay Kumar from Hyderabad, quite a well-known senior artist. So let me give you a closer look of these. Bushaya. Bushaya is also from my team. The second edition has this work. Can you see the vibrant colors? These beautiful pieces. Can you see those strokes? See these beautiful pieces? Wow. That's the Charminar. Let me show you my hometowns. It's the Charminar. Can you see this? I miss my hometown. This is a beautiful piece. Can you see this? Just show you, I'll just give you a closer look. So well articulated, beautiful strokes. See these. Another one. Okay guys, showing you another two works of one of my friends from Hyderabad. He is Satya. See this. Satya Garu, I am near your work. Venkatappa Art Gallery. Beautiful. The first time I'm seeing your works. Very nice. So it's captured. Look at these. Can you see those? The miniature ones. These are the works of artists from 12 different states. 36 artists, 72 works. And the show comes from Sanjay Kumar, curator, Ishwariya Art Gallery, Hyderabad. This year, in the month of March, they covered 2 events at a stretch. So this is the second part. Hi guys, good afternoon. Here we are with Sanjay Kumar, the director of Ishwariya Art Gallery, Hyderabad, who's organizing this Mega Dimensions show at the Venkatappa Art Gallery. This is the second part. So let us hear from him. Hi Sanjay, welcome to our show.
Hi Bangalore, and this Mega Dimension Bangalore is a confluence of 6 seasons of 6 dimension art shows we have conducted at Hyderabad at our Ishwariya Art Gallery. Before coming to the Mega Dimensions, I would just want to give an introduction about the 6 dimensions. So in each art show, we used to invite 4 artists from 4 local artists and 2 artists from other states. Likewise, we have completed 6 seasons, and the 6th artist of each season who have been participated in total, making to 36 artists, have been participated in this Mega Dimensions Bengaluru event. About 72 works have been kept for display. Each painting has its he came with an different style and and basically depict the respective region. And the 12 states include Assam, Delhi, West Bengal, Orissa, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh also. The artists from these regions, beautifully depicted the painting in their own style, as well as some of the artists have been did a painting on mythology, and some are on dance forms, some are on musical notes, and some artists have, especially the artist from Hyderabad. He has painted on want to depict reflections of Charminar, and there is an artist from West Bengal. He also depicted the Charminar and its heritage buildings. And we have paintings of artist where she has expressed the inner reflections of a human being. Also the artist from Gujarat, where the puppetry show has been depicted, and some Jerokas you can able to see in this exhibition, the paintings on Jerokas. Some abstract paintings you can find in a variety of paintings from figurative to the abstract, semi-abstract, realism, and impressionism. And some I will touch the subject like Vedas, some other the epics. They cover the subjects on epics, and you can see diversified subjects, paintings on diversified subjects.
Thank you, Sanjay, for giving us a brief about this event, and they have many more shows coming all across India, and he will keep us updated. And all those who would want to participate in his shows, we will provide you the link below his phone number, all the details. So you can call him and take all the details for his upcoming shows, which is all across the country, and starting from next month. Okay guys, I have captured whatever max I could. Hopefully you guys liked it. Some of the works on display, beautiful works. This is Isha Phillips signing off on behalf of Sanisha Says. We will catch up in some other show very soon. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.